The Fiancée of Belus is a painting by French artist Henri-Paul Motte based on a fanciful Babylonian ritual associated with the deity Belus. According to that ritual, Bel was offered a girl who sat on the lap of the Bel's statue overnight and then was replaced by another, all of whom were the winners of daily beauty contests. Motte cited as a reference the Greek historian Herodotus, but the related quote was later found to be invented. The Fiancée of Belus features oversized, academic style. To recreate the interior of the Babylonian temple, Motte copied the Greek temple in Olympia, while the sculpture is inspired by Lamassu. In 2013, the painting was acquired by the Musée d'Orsay, where it is presently kept. It was previously housed in Galerie Vincent Lecaire, near Musée d'Orsay, and was exhibited at the Brofa and Pad Paris Design and Art Fair. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.